Hi there, I'm Steven Schwager. I'm the garden manager at the Marin Art and Garden Center, and I am going to hopefully answer some questions that some of you gardeners might have. One of the questions that's asked most frequently, I think, is how do you get your roses to look so good? So we're here in the rose garden, and I'm going to let you know what we've done already this year and what we're going to be doing as the year progresses. So in January, we had a relatively warm month. So we had to force dormancy, and we did some extensive pruning. We cut away everything that was probably smaller than my index finger. The roses looked very bare. As you can see now, they filled out quite nicely. After that, the roses started early this year because we had also a warm February, and we started with our fertilizing regime. So we began in February when the roses began to leaf out with a pure nitrogen fertilizer. We also added humic acid to the soil. Humic acid breaks up some of the bigger compounds in the soil and makes them more easily, makes it more easy for the roses to take up the nutrients. We did again in the beginning of March another application of the pure nitrogen fertilizer. So now we're in the month of April and we're going to start the application of a completely balanced fertilizer. If you look at a bag or box of fertilizer, you'll see three numbers. The first number stands for the amount of nitrogen, the second stands for the amount of phosphorus, and the third stands for the amount of potassium. Nitrogen helps with the leafy growth, the phosphorus helps with great root development, and the potassium helps with overall vigor. We'll be doing this once a month throughout the summer. We've also started adding Epsom salts to the roses. We take 3/4 of a cup of Epsom salts, we work it into the soil around, and that helps the rose bush to actually take up nutrients. Whereas the humic acid conditions the soil, the Epsom salts conditions the rose bush. In the fall, we start tapering down, and we have a completely different routine for how to sort of wean the roses off all the nutrients we've been feeding them all summer and get them ready for a happy winter sleep. You'll find our complete maintenance schedule on our website. Happy gardening.